How to use Temu gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can use a Temu gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to use your Temu gift card online, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Temu application that you can find over here. Once you launch your Temu app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where in order to use your gift card, you just have to tap the U option that is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap the U option from the bottom of the screen, over here you will be able to find an option known as coupons and offers. So just make sure to tap on coupons and offers. And as you tap on coupons and offers, over here you'll be able to find this option known as enter coupon code. Now, you might be confronting me saying that this is only an option to redeem a coupon code and not a gift card code. But no, Temu has made it so that whichever type of code that you have on the platform, whether it be a gift card code, a voucher code, a promo code, a discount, or even a referral code, all of them applies to this same button that you can find here. So whether it is a gift card code or whatever, just make sure to enter your gift card code, tap the apply button, and then your gift card will be successfully redeemed. Next time, whenever you want to go ahead and then buy something on Temu, you can simply select that as a payment method. This way you can use Temu gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.